Hi friends, as part of this session I won't be talking anything technical, but I will be talking more about upskilling our skills, I can say, because as you're aware, starting January 2020 the entire world is being suffering from COVID crisis. Due to that, the entire world economy has been impacted. If the economy has been impacted, mean to say all the business across the world has been shut down for 2 to 3 months or more than that. So due to that, obviously revenue has been impacted. Revenue growth of that particular company has been impacted. We as an Indian people, or we Indians are working for, most of the people are working for service based industries, and we, our industry, our company where we have associated, right? So those are service based industry and they offer service to our clients who is spread across world, right? So obviously what will happen, since the economy has been shut down, or the business has been shut down for these clients who is present outside of India, for example America, Europe, or Australian region. So their business also has been shut down and their revenue is literally nil, or it is even running in negative, because they have to offer salary to their employees, right? So because of that, maybe for next 6 months or 1 year, at least 4 quarters, it will have a huge impact on these industries. And also we can expect little or less amount flow towards us, because there will be cost down at all levels in these industries which we are serving. So obviously there will be less amount of work which will be flowing to India or any country or any company who is offering service to that particular client, right? So obviously if the work is less, obviously the revenue which is being generated to our parent company, any company in India, will be less. So obviously if the earning is less, most of the people will go to bench, which is nothing but they are not billable. So if they are not able to earn revenue to their parent company, obviously the parent company might take some tough calls. If you are some key resource, yes, they can have some soft corner towards you, but if the situation continues, obviously, so they have to take some tough decision. They may ask you to leave a job, or else they may also tell you like we will pay partial salary or so. We never know what will happen, because the situation is very tough. So one thing what we as an employee can do is we can upskill our skills, or else we have to increase our skill sets. For example, if you are in SAP area, if you are only a functional consultant, try to learn ABAP. For example, if you are in Java area, try to learn along with Java web development. Or else if you are a student who is currently in final year, who got an offer, but it might be high possibility that your the date of joining might postpone, right? So these are the things which we may come across. To overcome that and to prove ourselves that we, yes, this is the candidate, or you are the one who is potential candidate for any company, and which company can rely on. So all we can do as an individual is we have to upskill ourselves. We should make sure that as an individual you possess all the soft skills and all the technical skills which is needed for a job, and with that only we can ensure or we can safeguard our jobs. Also, if you are already working professionals, make sure you fine tune all your soft skills. Also you have to upskill yourself with additional technical capabilities. For example, if you are working on a big Java project which also involves you to learn web development, or even JavaScript or something like that, feel free to learn during your leisure hour, because most of us as an IT professionals are working from home. So obviously we have a liberty, or we are saving our time to travel to office. Earlier, at least in a city like Bangalore or Mumbai, at least an individual was spending on an average 2 hours per day for commute only. Now you are saving that amount of time. So at least 1 hour you spend per day to upskill yourself, or learn new technology, or learn new programming language, so that we as an individual can safeguard and prove ourselves that we are the potential candidates which we can deliver best to our client. So hopefully as part of this video I have given some fair idea on what exactly is the industry situation is, and also So how we can upskill ourselves, you can also visit the website like Coursera, Udemy, or many other YouTube channels wherein you will get most of the content for free. So all you have to spend is not money, you have to spend your precious time in front of the computer and learn new technologies. Hopefully you guys will upskill yourself and safeguard your job. Also make sure you are the potential candidate in the upcoming days. Hopefully we all will have very nice way ahead post this COVID crisis. I believe. Thank you so much for watching these videos, friends, and have a good one. Bye bye.